fully automatic, multi-group, abrasive grinding machines with high precision, high stability, and extremely high production efficiency, helping wood processing companies to improve the quality of their products and increase their production capacity. We are seeking exclusive agents and project partners around the world. Products are supplied directly from the manufacturing plants, and a full range of services is available to support businesses entering international markets. We look forward to working together with industry experts from all over the globe to succeed in the overseas woodworking equipment market.